Hi friends, I am Ansar Pulikal, Health Inspector, Ernakulam. So far we discussed too many topics on COVID-19. Today we are going to discuss some of the frequently asked questions on COVID-19 travel advisory. What are the procedures for traveling from Kerala to other states? After obtaining the admission pass from the state, which she or he decides to go, has to collect exit pass from the concerned district collector through the COVID-19 Jagrata portal. What is the validity period of movement of pass issued by the district collector? The movement pass issued by the district collector has only 2 days validity period. What should be done to bring the trapped person from other states? Those who are traveling to other states in order to bring the trapped persons, those who are going with the vehicle, should register in advance with the registration number of the vehicle in the state domestic returnee's pass of that returnee before exiting from Kerala. Any other procedures we need to complete before going out of the state? Yes, after receiving the domestic returnee's pass of the returnee, collect the emergency pass for the vehicle which is going out of the state from the COVID-19 Jagrata portal. Any other procedures we need to complete before going out of the state? That means those who are returning to the state should collect the domestic returnee's pass, and those who are going out of the state should collect the emergency pass. What are the procedures to be completed before traveling by train? After collecting the train ticket, reach the station 2 hours before you commence the journey. What are the procedures to be completed before traveling by train? The copy of train ticket is enough to travel towards railway station. You can start the journey after completing the medical checkup arranged by the station by the district administration. What are the procedures to be completed before traveling by airplane? After collecting the air ticket, reach the airport before 3 hours of commencement and start the journey after completing the medical checkup arranged by the district collector. What are the procedures to be completed before traveling by airplane? The copy of air ticket is enough to travel towards airport. What are the government instructions to travel from other states to Kerala? Travel through road. You can travel after collecting the domestic returnee's pass from COVID-19 Jagrata portal and pass from the check post. If necessary, collect the movement pass from the other states. What should be done if more than one person is traveling in the same vehicle? If more than one person is traveling in a vehicle, it is mandatory to form a group at the COVID-19 Jagrata portal, and the group must have a group leader who should submit an application to the district collector. Who is the authority to issue the pass for the home quarantine? The LSGD, Local Self-Government Department, Panchayat, will issue the pass according to the report regarding home quarantine. Includes all individual details of each traveler. Do we can go on any date after getting all the pass from the authorities? No, the travelers should reach the check post only in which the dates assigned for them. What are the regulations regarding the number of passengers in one vehicle? In order to maintain the social distancing, it is allowed to travel only 4 passengers in a 5 seats vehicle, 5 travelers in a 7 seats vehicle, and the number of persons to be limited to 50% of the seating capacity in other vehicles. What are the measures to be taken by the travelers throughout the journey? It must ensure that throughout the journey all travelers should keep social distancing, wearing masks and frequently using the hand sanitizer. What should be done if the travelers in the same vehicle has different dates in their pass? Those who are traveling the same vehicle, and if they have different dates in their pass, They can travel at any one of the days of their issued pass. To whom we approach to get the vehicle support to reach home from the checkpost. The persons reach the checkpost from the other states, and if those who need vehicle to go home, it should be arranged by the district collector. What are the procedures to be done if we have to reach our home due to some emergency and unavoidable situations? The pregnant woman situations such as persons need to attend a funeral function, to visit a close relative who is severely ill. You can travel after collecting the emergency pass from the COVID-19 Jagrata portal. Travel through regular train. How can I collect the train tickets? The persons, those who are coming from other states, should collect their train tickets through IRTC online booking facility and collect their domestic returnees pass from COVID-19 Jagrata portal. What should be done if one train ticket contains more than one person? If one ticket contains more than one person, it's necessary to form a group and must have a group leader who applies for getting the pass by submitting all the individual details of each passengers. What are the measures to be taken by the travelers throughout the journey? It must ensure that throughout the journey all passengers should keep social distancing, wearing masks and frequently using hand sanitizer, and strictly follow all other COVID-19 safety guidelines. What are the measures to be taken by the travelers and relatives traveling by their own vehicle from the railway station to home? If the passengers are traveling by their own vehicle from the railway station to home, the relatives should maintain proper social distancing while traveling. It is enough to keep a copy of train ticket to get permission for the vehicle to reach checkpost. Travel through airplane. Any other steps we need to complete after getting my air ticket? After getting the air ticket, the passengers should collect the domestic returnees pass to Kerala through the COVID-19 Jagrata portal option. What are the measures to be taken by the travelers and relatives traveling by their own vehicle from the airport to home? If the passengers are traveling by their own vehicle from the airport to home, the relatives should maintain proper social distancing while traveling. It's enough to keep a copy of air ticket to get a permission for the vehicle to reach the checkpost. Any special train services available for the returnees? Special train services can be started only after getting consent from other states. After collecting the train ticket, the following instructions should be followed. The necessary arrangements for train services should be made by the concerned state authorities. What should be done if the train facility is arranged by other state authorities? The train facility is arranged by other state authorities. The train ticket should be collected from the nodal officer of that district. If the train allotted to Kerala, the train ticket will get through Norca portal www.registernorcaroutes.org. What will be done if the train facility is arranged by other state authorities? Such facility is available. This information should be communicated early by Norca. What will we do after confirming the train ticket? In order to confirm the ticket, immediately after receiving the ticket, enter the COVID-19 Jagrata portal and apply for pass to get in Kerala. Who will arrange to reach the railway station from the different districts of their states? All the arrangements should be made by the concerned state authorities to reach the railway station from different districts of their states.